along blog.
Yeah. Oh, I missed the cue.
All right, and we are
Code along blog. All right.
All right. So we've
Yeah.
been working on this Angular app. It's a shared calendar. Our last stream, we wanted to update our time selector component, but we were having some issues, and we kind of made the decision that the best way to proceed is probably just to go ahead and upgrade our entire app to use Angular 9, and then
Yep.
hopefully this component will just kind of work. Um,
Yeah,
and
because we actually found a another component. I don't think it's the one that we have shown here now,
uh-huh.
but then we find another one that seemed like it would work out pretty nicely.
I think so, but
And
I honestly don't remember.
okay, okay, that's fine. It was so long ago.
I know.
Yeah.
It probably seems like a pretty drastic step to just like completely upgrade Angular just for one component, but I have a feeling that we might run into this sort of thing, you know, in the future as well, and
Yeah.
it's kind of fun to stay up to date.
Yeah.
So today's stream will be basically just upgrading Angular and seeing how that goes. Um,
Yep.
there's this site here called Angular Update Guide. Um, and so I believe this walks you through the update, and you input your current version, and then you input the version you want to go to, and it just helps you. So we'll see. Let's see what we're on right now. Oopsies. So we are on
7.3 or 7.2.
7.2 Angular Core, I guess.
Okay.
All right, so 7.2, and how high does it go? It goes to 10.
10? Oh wow. I didn't
Yeah,
realize 10 was out already.
I didn't either. But I think I think we'll go to 9. As far as
Sure.
I know, 9 is still like heavily under development, right? I don't know.
I don't know. Wow.
Okay. So I use Angular ng upgrade for using just
I don't think we did
no,
that.
and I use
We
Angular
do use
material. We do
material.
use Angular material. Are we
Yeah.
using actual Angular material? We are. Okay.
Yeah, for the dialogues.
All right. Show me how to upgrade or update. Okay, I think I already did that. Before updating, if you use HTTP module as the HTTP
We
service,
do,
which we do, are you sure?
don't we? Thought we did.
Services. Where do we put our services? Here we go.
App services or
HTTP
no?
client. I think we're.
Oh, okay. So I guess we are fine.
Yeah, we're using HTTP client module. Okay. Done.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I like the little check boxes.
Yeah. Update to version 8 of the core framework and CLI by running ng update this thing in your terminal and review and commit the changes. Okay. First step,
Wow.
see if I have any changes to commit.
This is a very thorough step-by-step
Yeah,
upgrade.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Can I not paste? Well, there we go. Watch, it takes like 20 minutes.
I know.
The entire stream is just us watching that command line.
Yep. That'd be awesome. I hope not.
I hope not too. Well, I don't think we're using deep in any of our styles because we have very few styles.
Right.
Boom.
What version of TypeScript do we use? You're on 3.8.3 down the bottom?
3.2.2.
Wait a second. Okay, so we're using 3.2.2. Oh, what's this? Oh, I totally can't read that.
Oh. The Angular dev kit schematics package cannot be resolved from the workplace root directory. This may be due to an unsupported node modules structure. Please remove both
Okay.
the node modules directory and the package lock file, then reinstall. Alrighty.
You should get rimraf.
Yeah, I should.
Because I feel like if you delete node modules from here, it always takes like way too long. But I mean, maybe things have changed.
Yeah, and I can't do it in the Windows command line with quickly either, right?
If you install rimraf globally, then you can.
Oh, okay.
But
Is
that's
that
you
is that
can.
like a node package?
Yeah.
Is it just that?
Uh, no, it's rim raf.
Node.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
I'm so
know.
used to I guess my Mac now, but when I had my Windows work computer, I had Cygwin installed,
Okay.
so I'm used to being able to do that too.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Is it just this?
Yep.
Cool. All right.
Okay. So then you can
Oh
just
yeah.
do uh,
Rimref. It's taking a lot longer than it would in Linux. Oopsies.
you think so?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe it's because I
All
had it
right.
open just then. That's
It
probably
could
what it
be.
is. Okay. Yeah. All right. That was pretty quick. All right. So
You didn't have to delete node modules in server though.
yeah, whatever. That's fine.
Yeah.
You're right.
All right.
Also, I need to be in client, don't I?
Yeah.
All right. One more time.
What version of Node are we on? Was it 10 or 12?
Um,
You just do Node. Yeah, there you
12.
go. Okay.
Uh-oh.
It didn't work again.
Nope.
Delete the package lock.
Oh yeah. Jeez.
That
Uh-oh.
still did not work.
Well,
All right.
temporarily install Angular DevKit schematics package within the workspace. Okay.
So I sort of wonder, like, our app is still pretty simplistic.
You want to rewrite?
No, like,
Oh,
can we just say
just set the Angular
npm
version.
and yeah,
Yeah, maybe.
like, I wonder if
Um,
that would be fine.
it probably would be. I don't think we're doing anything that's like deprecated or removed
Yeah.
or like different.
Should we just try that? Like, upgrade to what, Angular 8? And then make sure the app still works, commit that, and then upgrade to 9.
We could do that. I think it's gonna do it. I think it did it.
Okay, that's fine then.
All right. We now use TypeScript 3.4. Noted. Make sure you're using
Um,
Node 10 or later. Noted.
well, don't we have
Should
to
build.
upgrade? Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I don't think you want to do that. I
No?
think you just say npm install,
Okay.
right?
Just do latest.
I think you probably want to say 3.4. So
Okay.
I feel like Angular might have like a cap on the
Okay.
latest TypeScript. Uh, you have a space in there.
Oops. Okay. All right, we're on 3.4.5. The CLI's build command now automatically creates a modern ES2 2015 build with minimal polyfills and a compatible ES5 build for older browsers and loads the yada 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 yada. You may opt out of this change. I don't think we care.
Nope.
When using the new version of CLI, you'll be asked if you want to opt in to share your CLI usage data. I don't
Oh,
care.
yeah, whatever.
If you use ViewChild or Content Child, I don't think we are yet, are we?
Oh, that's a good question.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. Update Angular material to version 8 by running this. Instead of importing from Angular material, you should import deeply from the specific component. Okay. Let's see if we're using these anywhere.
Yeah.
We're already deeply importing.
Okay. What about the module? I guess the
Um,
module's doing that too, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Why are they erroring?
Probably because I deleted node modules.
But didn't you just do a upgrade or something?
I did, but I don't think that installed everything, did it?
Uh, well, yeah, maybe not.
It installed some
Uh,
stuff. I don't think it installed like Angular material.
okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Okay, make sure using node 10, whatever, run this. Update Angular. What was this?
Yeah, didn't
Oh,
we
that's
already
the
do that?
CLI and Angular core at 8. Angular. This is the same thing, right?
Yeah, it's just reversed. I guess we could do it again. I don't see why that would make a difference, though.
Okay. Blindly following instructions. And then we just immediately do it again at latest. It doesn't specify 9. I wonder.
Well, no, actually, what? Okay, so you did a G update. Oh, okay,
Right?
that's weird. Yeah,
So, but like 10 is out now. So would it automatically
right,
choose 10 as the latest? Or.
probably.
So if I do this, is it going to do 10? I guess we'll see.
Yeah, I bet it will. Bet it will.
Or does it do the latest stable version?
It's a good question. I mean, 10 might be the stable version, though, right?
I have no idea. I feel like it updates way more quickly than people are ready for.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so it did something. Our package JSON says
Why are those still 7?
7.
What?
Oh, is it because I didn't save?
I don't
Well, I
think
did the
so.
ng update.
Oh, repository is not clean, so it's not going to do it. So we got to redo a lot of these steps.
Oh. Ugh. Weird. Okay. That's not a thing.
You want to do it? Yeah. Okay, so that's fine.
Okay. All right. So let's see. So we get to do this one again, I guess.
Yep.
Mm. I wonder if I should have, instead of deleting the package lock, I should have checked it out.
Why?
Because technically the repo's not clean still. Oh, I guess it worked.
Oh, maybe.
Package
Uh,
Angular CLI is not a dependency.
I thought it was. Yeah, right there on 36 of package JSON.
Yeah, weird.
Hmm.
Okay.
So does that mean it didn't update?
I don't know. Oh, I guess.
Yeah, I don't think it did.
So what the hell?
What the heck?
I never use the CLI anyways. Boom.
You are using it right now, though.
Oh, that's true. Am I?
Yeah,
I'm using
it's ng
npm.
update.
Oh shit,
No,
you're
you're
right.
not.
Okay.
I thought you were being ironic.
No, I just oblivious.
All right.
Where
All
am I?
right.
I'm in client.
That is weird.
What the hell?
Is that core? Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so core is not a dependency.
So maybe now we just do the thing that you said and just like manually.
Yeah, that's like the number one answer on Stack
What?
is so this guy says commit all your changes and then try npmi Angular CLI 8.
Okay.
And then you can then after that you can run ng update. Oh, what version is your global Angular CLI?
Um. 8.
Okay.
Oh, it says even my Angular. Oh, my global.
Yeah, your global's
Why do I have a
8.3.4.
global Angular Dev Kit core? Is that what that? Like, what are these?
Yeah, I think those are global.
Why would I have these globally? What does that even mean?
I think those might come as part of the CLI.
Okay.
So okay, so now it looks like you updated CLI in the project. So let's go ahead and run. Yeah, let's try that.
Repository's not clean. Son of a bitch.
So we have to commit every single time.
That's really obnoxious.
That is.
So I mega cleaned my keyboard not too long ago, and it
Oh yeah, didn't you like spill something on it?
I did, and it's much better now. Except my right shift key is a little like slow. I think I cleaned out like the grease in there.
Okay,
My space used to be slow, and my left shift are a little slow, or was a little slow, and then I lubed it, so it's a little better.
nice. How did you
Uh,
pop the keys off?
I found my key popper offer.
Okay.
Yeah. Angular core is not a dependency.
I think we should just npm update everything to like, yeah. Okay, so that guide is not
Do I have to
doesn't work too well.
save?
I think it should do it automatically because it's already a dependency.
Okay.
I could be wrong. So we updated the CLI.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And core is there too. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, all right, we slowly did all those things, and then now it wants us to. Was there anything we need to backfill?
Material.
Angular material.
Yeah.
So Angular material is still at 7.
Yeah, after you told me about your keyboard
Uh-huh.
issues last week, I was watching a YouTube video. I forget which one it was, but this guy uh, created a key puller thing out of a paperclip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
I
should
thought it was
show
kind of
you
neat.
my key puller. I could totally see how you could make one out of a paperclip. I don't know if you can see. So it's just
Okay.
like a little plastic thing with little metal
Yep.
feet, and you just put it around the corners of the key, and just it pops right out, and you pull.
Cool. How does it work on a space bar though?
I just like push it into the side, and then I like stretch it out, and then let it clip around the other side, and then I pop it out.
Okay.
It's pretty stretchy,
Interesting. Okay.
or like springy, I guess. Bendy.
Gotcha.
Bendy's the word. All right. Angular material is updated. So I think we're good. So now theoretically, I don't know if this is gonna work. The ng update angular
Yeah.
core.
I
So
I bet it won't. Do you need to commit again?
probably, yeah.
Yeah, this is really annoying.
Uh,
How about you just try ng update and see how that goes?
oh, it installs a temporary version of the CLI to do the update. Because apparently my CLI was out of date. So is it installing the Angular 9 CLI to do this update, I wonder?
That's a good
Oh,
question.
wow. Yeah, it worked.
Uh, but we need to update those manually. So basically, each of those 5 commands on the right, I think we have to run those.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's silly. Also, I should have.
Did I tell you I shipped my monitor back and
Oh, you
bought a
did?
new one?
Ah,
Yep.
okay.
No
So
more
the
dark spot.
cool. The guy took it back and he refunded you? That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, he was nice.
Okay. Apparently, CDK is not a dependency.
Okay. Yeah, it is. It's right there. Line 17.
So do I have to do this with npm instead?
Probably. What the heck?
And then that's it, right?
I wonder if maybe we should be on a later CLI and then it would just figure it
Maybe.
out.
So, oh, you know what? It did 737. Do I have to say at 9?
Are we on 9? I thought we're on 8. Like if you look at line 20.
But I thought this was going to go straight to 923.
Oh,
So maybe I
yeah,
should
I don't
say
know.
at dot 9 dot 2 dot 3.
But I feel like we should be on the same level as core, which is 8.2.14.
Well, let me do
Let's
it.
update everything to 9.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think what I would do is I would just say, like, go through each of the Angular dependencies and dev dependencies and update them to like
Okay. Yeah.
9, whatever.
Yep.
I think you could just say Angular CLI at 9, and it would
I
do the
just wanted to
latest.
do the one that it specified there.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, it did 923. Oh no, CDK. CLI.
That's gonna be a dev dependency.
Okay, I did it. All right, 916 for core.
Okay. So So
this
did
is
you
too good to
pick?
be true.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like we should be fine for the most part by doing it this way, just because our app is so simple.
Yeah.
So did we figure out if there is an Angular 10?
I didn't look, but I'm guessing there is.
Wait, what? Oh,
So this is from May 7th, and it's a planned upgrade.
okay, so officially it's not out yet.
Yeah.
So 9.16 is the latest release. That was 3 days ago.
Okay.
Then 10.00 next 6 was released 4 days ago.
Okay.
So I don't know what the next means. Is that like a beta? Or like a better than beta?
655.
Can you hear me?
What? I'm sorry. You got a little choppy there.
I think I have internet issues.
Oh. You look really choppy in Discord. Okay, we've upgraded everything specified in this. There's still Angular Common, Angular Compiler. So I'll do, and animations. We'll do that one next.
Hey, Glenn,
Yep.
can you boost your mic?
Can I boost my mic?
Yeah. Damon said that your mic is really low.
Oh, okay. I can try, yeah. Let's see.
I can try turning my volume down if that would help.
Yeah, do that too.
All right.
Oopsies, that's not
Actually,
what I
I
wanted.
got to figure out how to do that.
Is that...
I don't know.
Oh, actually, no, I can do it on here. All right, I may or may not have boosted it.
It sounds louder to me.
Okay. All right, so I was doing animations at 9, we'll just say. All right. I think we just have a few more of these.
Yeah, don't forget about the dev dependencies, though.
Yeah.
Then I'm not even sure what we're going to do with like Karma or Jasmine, although we don't really use those, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
Nothing.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if there was just a handy upgrade everything that actually worked.
Yeah.
Okay, platform browser.
All right, so our audio issues are good now.
Okay. But now honestly, you sound pretty quiet to me in Discord.
Do I?
Yeah.
All right.
But it's fine, Just leave it. I can still
Okay.
hear you.
All right. Yeah, I just reduced mine to 60%.
Okay. All right. So we've got Angular DevKit build Angular is at version 0.13. I'm not really sure what to do with that.
Yeah. Neither. I don't know. Could we just say at latest?
Sure. Probably makes sense.
So then looks like we just have one more after this, the language service.
Yeah.
All right.
And then hopefully this all just magically works.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
So these other steps. Oh, it upgrades our TypeScript to 3.7. We might have to manually do that too.
So on line 17, is that like highlighted or?
Yeah.
Do we know of any self-hosted alternatives to Notion Notion.so.
I've never heard of Notion.so.
Neither have I. Is it like a free thing? So it's like
Hmm.
almost like a project management tool. It's a lot more than that. Hmm.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. At work, we all just use Microsoft Teams, and then for our project, we're using Trello. Um, and for work, we also use version one, which is awful, and I'd never inflicted upon anyone.
No, it's really bad. Trello is way better.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we also use Confluence for wikis, but honestly, I tend to shy away from that. Like, I prefer to keep all my notes that are specific to a project in the README of the project itself.
Okay, so that is everything.
TypeScript
Right. So
3.7.
TypeScript is at 3.4.5, so we want 3.7. 3.7, what?
You're welcome.
That's it, 3.7. Okay. So after we do TypeScript,
I think we would be ready to try it.
yeah, we probably have to npm install because I
Oh
deleted
yeah,
all of our
yeah,
node
that's right.
modules and in server as well.
Yep, that
So
would
we'll do
be
that.
useful.
We're using dynamic imports.
Dynamic imports. What do you mean?
I don't know. I am loading up the docs for that very slowly. The Angular documentation is really slow sometimes.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not really sure why.
Oh, so I think I figured out why my uh, internet is choppy sometimes.
Why is that?
So my wife was using the internet and it went out, and I was looking at the router,
Hmm.
and the CPU was spiking to 100%. And
The
then,
router CPU?
yep,
Oh, okay.
and so when it went up that high, the internet dropped.
Wow.
Yeah. So I don't know what the heck is causing it to spike so high.
Huh. I
So, and
wonder.
I do have like 40 clients on my network.
Okay.
So I wonder if like that's maybe too many.
And you've been getting hacked a lot. Maybe you're getting hacked. Somebody's just like spamming
Well,
you.
I wouldn't say I was getting hacked a lot. I got
Well,
hacked pretty bad once, but
as far as you know, didn't you say also people were like you had added some routing log or router logging and like you saw that like there were tons of people like
no, that was for my server, like outside my
oh
house.
okay okay. Regardless though, people are trying to get in there and maybe they're
Yeah,
just I don't know. Who knows?
yeah, hmm.
All right,
Yeah.
do you think it's gonna
Something
work?
I'm gonna have to look into. Uh, I hope so. I'm gonna cross my fingers. Well, the server's running, although
It
maybe
seems to be
that's.
working.
I didn't think it was actually up yet.
Oh, maybe not. I th- no, you're right.
Yeah, you were just playing around with the cached version.
Yeah, yeah. Is this like first time setup that it's doing?
I hope
Or
so,
yeah.
because I hope this is not every single time. That seems pretty bad.
Okay. I guess it's up.
No way.
Yeah,
Cool.
cool.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Nice. Should we commit this?
Yeah, probably.
And then, do you remember the name of that plugin we were looking at last time?
No.
Shoot. Uh,
Oops.
okay. Well, let me see if I can find it real quick. It was like a time picker, right?
Yeah,
An Angular time picker. Was it ngx-material-timepicker?
maybe. What do we have now?
Uh, I
We don't
think
have one at all.
we're using the built-in one, aren't we?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think we are.
Which is, yeah, it's kind of not very good.
Um,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's material time picker.
okay. Yeah, we're just using a met input of time, date, time, local. Okay. All right, so let's give this a try then. Okay.
And wasn't there like a site with like all the demos or something? Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's what we wanted. Um,
Actually,
your internet's
wrong.
pooping out again, I think.
Oh, yep. Still hear me?
Yep, now I can.
Okay. Super weird. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, do I buy a new router or do I? I really have no idea. What kind of router do you have?
I have, hold on, I don't remember.
Yeah, my CPU's back at 100% again.
I have an Asus RT AC68R.
Is that like the Nighthawk or something?
Nope. I don't think so. I think that's just what it's called.
Huh.
It's just a wireless AC router.
All right. How many clients do you have on it?
I have 13, which actually seems kind of high. Hold on.
Maybe I should try to reduce the number of clients first.
Oh, okay, I have 4 clients? Now that seems really low.
Yeah,
What the hell? Now it's 5? What's happening?
maybe you're
All
getting
right,
hacked.
my wife's phone, my work laptop. I think that's the TV, desktop, one of Emma's computers, my phone, my desktop. I think this is right. Now it's 6, but I still think it's right.
I think I'll try reducing the number. 'Cause like I said, I've got around like 40.
40 seems high.
Yeah.
Why do you have so many?
I have a lot of little machines here and there. Like I have tablets and phones and like old tablets.
And
Uh,
they're all on and just
yeah.
sitting there
Yep.
routing stuff.
I wouldn't think so, but apparently,
All right.
yeah.
So, finally, connect the time picker to an input via template property. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's right. We have to have two different ones, right? One for the view page where you click on it and it opens a modal, and then one with no modal.
Right. So I think didn't we want to do like a combination of if you scroll back down, there's like the up down arrows in each of
Yeah.
yeah, something like this I think is what we were discussing.
Okay. So for the adding new event modal, we probably
Like
want
I
just like
think we could
this,
use
right?
the bottom. Yeah, and then
Yeah.
for the edit we could use the one just above it maybe.
Okay. So I'll just go like this. All right. And then the actual value or thing that we're modifying. How do we get to that? I wonder.
Yeah, wasn't that hmm.
That was something we weren't sure of, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is
Well,
this where we have to like bind to the update events and then like update
yeah,
the thing manually?
I think we do, yeah.
Okay, that's dumb. I wish they would show that in their examples.
I thought they did. It we just have to dig through it. Like I
Value is
thought there
the
was like an
default
event.
value. It would also
Yeah.
be nice if this was bigger, so I didn't have to
Yeah.
scroll horizontally.
Yeah, that's true. Um yeah, I thought there was like an event, wasn't there?
Yeah, yeah, the outputs here. Emits the time, emits time when that was set. Okay, time set, I think is what we want probably. Or time changed. Emits once time was changed.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Okay, so I think I have no idea what time is going to be. And then, oopsies. Okay, let's see what that does. Let's actually open the console so we can see what that does.
Sure.
Let's actually open the console. There we go. Okay,
Oh.
cool. 1:45 p.m. Oh, that's gross.
Well, that's fine.
Save. Okay. So I forgot to
The end.
actually. Oh, you're breaking up again.
Yeah. Well, seems fine on my end.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Heck. My internet.
Yeah, it's. I don't know. Yeah, it sucks. Um, are you able to see your? Oh, you can't see your router logging. Can you?
Nope.
Can you? Does your
No,
router have that? Maybe it does.
it doesn't.
Oh, okay. You looked.
I checked. Yeah, I want to. Yeah, I have to figure out how to get that information.
Okay. What kind of router do you have?
It's an Archer A7.
I've never heard of it.
Yeah, it's. I used to have a Nighthawk, but then it started going bad.
Okay.
Like all the ports started dying.
Oh. Is oh
And
okay.
it's
TP
fairly up to
characters.
date. Like they still release updates for it. So
Okay. What kind of router is this?
what do you mean?
Is it like a wireless N, wireless
Yeah,
AC?
I think it might have AC, but I only use N.
You only use N?
Yeah,
Oh, you don't have. Okay, all right.
yeah. I don't have like my devices don't support. I mean, AC is the one after N, right?
Yeah.
The yeah. My
Okay.
devices don't support it.
Hmm. Well, I like my router. Let's see how much it is actually. I already forgot
I
what
was
it
actually
is.
looking at the Ubiquity
Uh-huh.
routers, so I would end up getting a like a a router itself without the Wi-Fi, and then the Wi-Fi would be separate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, it's still pretty expensive. My friend Ed has a I don't remember what it's called, but it's like it's one of those routers that are meant for like really, really big professional buildings.
Hmm.
And he likes that. It's like super rock solid. Because I definitely have issues where like my 5 gigahertz band will like cut out every once in a while for some devices and stuff like that.
Okay.
Um, and I think that's probably just like a range thing. I don't know.
Hmm.
But
That could be.
um,
So did you hook up the end time?
I did.
Okay.
But so it returns time as a string, so we have to like parse it and turn it into a moment probably. I wonder if I could
Oh,
just say that. Oh, I don't have
yeah.
moment.
I bet you could. And
All
then,
right.
yeah.
So although that's just a time, it has to have a date as well.
Yep.
So what were we doing? Start
So I wonder if you
date.
could say, let's see. So
Because we do have the date that they've selected,
right.
and it is it's actually on calendar event, isn't it?
What format does the time come in?
Um,
Because I'm just wondering if we can concatenate the date and the time together to form a string.
yeah, maybe. So it's that. But I want to say we should already have May 4th. Okay. So I think the end date already has the start date and end date already have the date, but the time is 0000. So I think we
Okay,
can just
then.
set the if we could just set the time, that would be good. Um, where the docs get set. We could individually set the hour, minute, and AM, PM.
Yeah. All right.
Set. Yeah, you're breaking up real bad.
This is awful.
Is your router overheating? Maybe.
That could be.
I've had issues in the past with different routers. where it overheats, and then I think typically actually my internet just cut out when that happened.
Okay,
But
I'll have to check.
yeah, okay. It doesn't look like we can just set the time, but we can individually set the hours and minutes.
But how do you parse it?
Good question.
I guess you could just pass it in as a string, then pull the hours off of it,
True.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That seems
Although, how
ghetto
do you?
though.
Yeah, it does. It does.
Well, we could just do that.
Yep.
So, um, basically it would be, so start date is already a moment.
Okay.
So we format it as like whatever, I guess, right? Year, day. Um, is that what we want?
Uh, I think so, but you need the space in there too.
Okay. Let's see what that does. So I clicked on May 6th.
Okay. It's probably a bad date or
Yeah.
something.
So time is that. Start date is a moment. So what is this? I can't tell if I'm selecting. It's like so subtle, the coloring. Oops. Invalidate. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is my
So,
format bad? Probably.
I, yeah, I think it might be capital Y's.
Oh, okay. Let me do this.
And you might also need capital D.
Oops. Come on, Chrome
Yeah,
can
'cause
figure it out.
the little
Firefox.
D's are the text.
Oh, they are.
Yeah, it's the name of the day.
I see. Okay. So I want big D's.
Yep, big D's.
So start date is now 5/6/2020 at 12:45 a.m. Nice. I think that is correct. Okay, so some event thing. It's gonna go from 12:45 to 5:45 p.m.
We'll fix that
Yeah.
some point.
So this isn't working, but that's okay. So if we look in the
We haven't gotten to that.
database, we should have the newest one is from 5/6 at 00:45 until 5/6 end date did not save properly.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, whoopsies. That's why.
Oh, you got another end date. Yep.
Okay. Okay. All right, so we're going 5/5.
Okay.
We're gonna go 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
That's
So
not
why is
saving
the
it.
end date not saving? Oh, I know why. Probably. Because this. Oopsies. Oh, it's because we didn't do anything.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
would do it.
Yeah. It's funny because I thought I didn't see the logging for end time.
Ah, okay.
I thought I said something, but maybe it was when my internet was choppy.
Could be. All
That's
right,
my
so
excuse.
let's put this. All right, we got some event. 7 a.m. until 9 p.m. And we have 7 a.m.
Nice.
9 p.m. Cool. All right, finally. So that looks good. We just want it to not make this thing big. I don't know why it's like
I
this
think we
drop
should.
down is like display block or something weird.
I think we should tackle that next stream, maybe, or in the future.
Okay.
So
Oh yeah, we've
about
pretty much
time.
run out of time. Do we want to try to plug in the time picker to the edit or the view real quick?
Yeah. If you think it can be done in less than 5 minutes.
Yes, it can.
All right. I'll start the countdown.
Okay.
And do you want to get the pop up too?
Um. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
It'll take a little more time.
That could be a bonus. How
All
about
right.
that?
Let's see if this works as is. It does not. Oh,
You
because we
can
have to set the
populate.
value.
Yep. And the value has to be a formatted string.
Oh, okay. Do you know what the format is?
Uh, yeah, it's the hours. So it's this. I don't know. I don't think it's capital M because
Okay.
capital M is month. So I think it's going to be. Oh, there we go.
Hours HH. Minute is lowercase mm.
Okay.
And then AM PM.
Well, if you did upper or capital H, then it's 24 hours. So I think you should be fine.
A single.
But
Oh, okay. Okay.
if
So
it
if I just do
needs the
that,
AM PM,
you think
yeah,
that's good?
I think that'll be fine.
Okay. Nope. I think it wants it in. Oh,
Okay.
we can say 24-hour. We don't want an actual 24-hour clock though.
No.
I think we want the value to be in not 24 hours
Okay.
clock
So that's fine.
style. Oh, A.
So
Okay. So is lowercase h. Okay. Um, h.
so little 8.
Is that right? Okay.
So something that I noticed too
Uh-huh.
is it put tick marks around the strings
Oh,
in
did
the
it?
quotes. Yeah, I don't know why it did that though. So like in the value example, yeah, you see how it's like
Oh, okay.
tick.
So what would happen? Let me do this then. Let me just put in a string and just see what happens.
Try little case AM. No. Okay. Are you passing the value on the time picker field? Like if you go look at the examples, the docs again.
Okay.
The examples.
Oh, it's on
No,
the
that's on the
input.
input.
Ah, okay. Oh, that's just this though. Oh, the time picker has a default time.
Okay, so maybe that's what we need.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Getting there. 50 seconds to go.
Shit, what was it? Default. Okay. Okay. All right. So if I change this to 8 and save, is save not hooked up? Oh, it probably is actually. 7. It's not hooked up.
Okay, let's see if you can do
Oh
it.
no, time changed isn't hooked up, is it?
I thought you added it.
Oh, I did. Okay.
Yeah, so hmm.
Hmm.
Set a breakpoint. Oops. Sorry.
It's okay.
That was the timer.
Start date. Close. What's happening? There we go. Start date is. What is the actual time? Oh, 7. Yeah, so why? Let me do this again.
Did you, or did it actually get into update start time?
It did.
So did it update start time?
It should have. What is start date and time is 10 a.m. So what does this give me? Wow. Oh, it's there, but the debugger like doesn't know about it. I hate that. So if I execute,
It didn't change. Oh,
10
wait.
a.m. It is updated.
Okay.
Okay, and then save.
10 a.m.
It's in Zulu time. Is
Is that,
that 12 minus 6 is, or minus 5 is 7. So
yeah,
I don't think it updated.
so something happened on the server?
Or did it update? I don't know.
Can you check your network? You can check the network tab.
Yeah, that's true. Let me look at the database. This says 10. Oh, it did update.
Okay.
What the hell?
Weird.
I don't know. I'm confused.
All
Maybe
right.
it did, maybe it didn't. We'll figure it out next time.
Yes. Yes, we will.
All right. So today we made some decent progress. We updated Angular, and we plugged in this ng's-material timestamp or time picker. Um, cool. Nice. That's exactly what we wanted to accomplish.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
All
so.
right. So hopefully we will continue on with this next Monday at 7 Central, and we'll see you then.
See ya.
Bye.